Welcome to Tuesday, June 23rd, 2020. On your Day Weather podcast today, this is what we're going to talk about. Another nice day coming up. If you liked yesterday in the region, it's basically a repeat today. We call today a copy and paste day. Copied yesterday's weather, pasting it into today. We'll have a few thunderstorms, especially across some areas of eastern Colorado, mainly isolated thunderstorms elsewhere. So it'll be a nice day. There's a couple of thunderstorms in a few spots. A little desert heat does sneak up from the south and west for Wednesday and Thursday, but it's temporary because a cold front will bring cooler temperatures away and what is going to likely be some showers and thunderstorms late Thursday and into Friday over many areas. Now we're hoping that more rain will come, need more rain in many areas, and Thursday and Friday will offer up the best chances of showers and thunderstorms. It'll cool off as well. But this cold front not as strong as the fronts of the last 2 weeks. For the last 2 weeks, there have been portions of the Rockies that have gotten snowed on. So we're hoping that this cold front doesn't do that. I don't think it will. Warming up for the weekend. Temperatures bounce back nicely. I think we have a pretty good weekend coming up. Going to give you a solar update as well. This is the forecasted rain. Areas where it will rain, or at least the chances are, through Saturday morning. You can see there's more showers and thunderstorms over Texas, northeast New Mexico. They really need it. We're also looking at some shower and thunderstorm activity. Chances are still looking pretty good over eastern Colorado, western Kansas, and southwest Nebraska. Then the Front Range and even the western slope of Colorado back into Utah. This pattern of showers and thunderstorms right here, mainly due with that Pacific cold front that's coming, and most of this right here is in the Thursday-Friday time frame as that front comes on in. So there is going to be a fairly good chance of showers and thunderstorms Thursday and Friday. We're hoping that central Wyoming here can get some rain, as well as parts of the Bighorn Basin. I think there's some chances that measurable rain in some of the dry areas possible. Not enough to eliminate the dryness completely, but take the edge off maybe a little bit. Temperature-wise, this is where we're going to be on Wednesday. Warming up. Look at all the orange. Very warm air comes in. This is when we have some heat building in, and the heat will drift overhead for Wednesday and into Thursday. However, by Friday, temperatures east of the divide go a bit below average. So we're going to cool off. But look at this. Look at the heat coming back into the Pacific Northwest and into Idaho and eastern Oregon and eastern Washington. And this air will slip in for the weekend. So temperatures cool off late Thursday into Friday, but they go right back up. There's Saturday's temperatures, there's Sunday's temperatures, so it's going to be warming up for the weekend. But you probably noticed the blue and the purple sneaking in up here. So yes, another Pacific trough is going to move into the Pacific Northwest right at the end of June and into early July. That probably is going to come into the Rockies again. So we're still kind of having a tug of war. There's still going to be some ups and downs. Temperatures by next Wednesday, this is for July 1. July could be off to a bit of a cooler start in the western United States, and that will probably coincide with an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms as well, right as we go into the new month. Jet stream-wise, the upper level pattern looks like this. We have a nice trough of low pressure into the Great Lakes and Midwest. You can see that the wind flow aloft is from the Pacific Northwest. This is why temperatures are going to be really comfortable here again today. By Thursday, we have a trough and a cold front sliding through. So this is going to bring some showers and thunderstorms, and we may on Thursday and into Thursday night and Friday have some strong to severe thunderstorms in this area here. We'll need to watch this for Thursday and Friday for some strong thunderstorms. By Sunday, we have high pressure building up here. Another trough coming to the Pacific Northwest, but see the southwest winds coming up. So by the weekend, we do warm up before this guy arrives right around Wednesday and Thursday of next week, cooling us off. And you can see that trough by the end of next week settling into the northern and central Rockies, and that's going to bring better shower and thunderstorm chances to this area here, while the heat goes into the Corn Belt by the 4th of July. Maybe the corn will be knee-high by the 4th of July with some of that heat coming into the Corn Belt while we cool off the middle of next week out west. Giving you an update with solar activity. We had last week a pretty good sunspot that went right across the sun here. It was actually the biggest sunspot in a long, long time. but we've now gone 7 days without any sunspots. So we're going back into solar minimum territory. 3/4 of the days here in 2020 have had no sunspots. And so while we do expect to get out of the solar minimum, boy, it is being very stubborn to leave us. Thanks for listening and watching to the Day Weather Podcast. Have a good Tuesday.